Hi guys, so welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out some new makeup and I'm actually really excited because I have a lot of good stuff here. We have some Hailey's Beauty and Nakia Joy Cosmetics. I finally got my hands on this powder. I've been dying to try out her powder for forever. And I also have some new holiday kits here from Milani that we're going to try out. These look so beautiful. And I also have a new concealer, some new lip oils from Dose of Colors, a new blush here from Lottie London. So we're going to try out a couple different brands today. So make sure you guys grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get into it. So I'm starting with a little lip oil. This one is from Fenty Skin. It's the Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. And I'm just gonna prime my lids with the Moira Water Peptide Eyeshadow Primer. I just did a full face of this brand and I have really been liking this eye primer, as well as a couple other products from them, but this is really good and it's affordable, so we love that. So I'm going to start with these Milani holiday kits, which you can find at Walmart or of course on Milani's website. And these are in collaboration with Rocio Roses from TikTok. I am so happy for her. Congratulations, girl. These look so beautiful. The first kit that we have is the Luxe Jewel Kit. So you get the eyeshadow palette, a glow enhancer, which is supposed to be kind of like the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. I don't think I've tried this like recently. If I did, it was years ago. So I'm excited to try this out. And then you also get a color statement lipstick in here. And then the other one is the Allure Gem Kit, which I think I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette today. And then you also get, again, the enhancer. This one looks a little bit more of like a bronzy tone though. Maybe I'll use that lipstick. I don't know, but these are so cute. So definitely check these out at your local Walmart. I'm going to dabble into first this kit. So I'm going to start off with the Money Saving Bestie eyeshadow palette. This looks so pretty. I'm definitely going to dabble into some of these greens, but let's start off with this color right here. Okay, Pigment. I love Milani eyeshadows. I'm like debating which color I want to use. Do I want to use the gold shade or do I want to use this like more bronzy shade? Or maybe I'll use both. I'm going to apply it, of course, all over my lid. And then I'm going to add some of that green on the outer edge. Look at both of those colors. That's just like one little swatch. Yeah, we're going to mix those two shades. Oh, that is so beautiful. And P.S. I did spray my brush because like I literally always do that. And it helps every time. These tones are everything. And I'm actually using a Milani. This is a Fruit Fetish Make It Last spray. Now we're gonna dabble into this green. And I'm gonna start applying that right on the outer lid. Wow, this is so pretty. Definitely holiday vibes. So I just added a little bit of brown eyeshadow in the palette right here, but instead I decided I'm gonna do black liner because I've got this new one here from Inglot. I've never tried this eyeliner. I got it on Amazon. I know it's not new, but it's new to me because I've heard so many good things about this that I want to try it for myself. Wow, that's really dark. I'm not mad about it. The eyeliner gets a double thumbs up. Obsessed with this. It's so black, you guys. It's like insane. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a quick coat of mascara. And I do have a new pair of lashes here from Juvia's Place. In my last testing new makeup that I did last month, I tested out another pair of lashes from Juvia's Place and I didn't really like the style, but I think I'm gonna like these so much more. They're a little bit more voluminous. This is what these look like. They are the Nubian style lashes and these are the maximum volume. But yeah, I'm gonna just curl my lashes and I'm gonna use this Complexion Culture mascara. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm and I really what is that? Oh no, what the heck is that? Like leftover eyeliner or something on my lash curler? I'm just using another brush to like wipe that. I don't know what that was. Anyways, I got this mascara in a BoxyCharm this past month and I really have been enjoying it. I think it's good for length and separation. And P.S. I really like how these lashes get a little bit more voluminous on the outer corner and then they're a little bit shorter in the inner corner. I've been loving lashes like that. They're like my favorite because they taper out a little bit on the ends. When I tell you, I'm obsessed with this eye look and I love these lashes, by the way. I did trim them. I actually cut the inner corners because I felt like they were a little bit too heavy and when I was blinking, I could like feel the lashes. So I cut the inner part and I love the way these look. I need to do that more often with some of my more voluminous lashes. So now most of the volume is on the outer and middle part of my lashes. And I just love that so much because the inner corners are like still nice and open. So love these, double thumbs up. These are way better than the other style that I tried, but they have a ton of other styles as well, just depending on like what you like in your eye shape. Now we're gonna move into the skin. So I'm gonna use the Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer from the Luxe Jewel Kit. Just because this one here is a little bit too dark for my skin tone because I have like no color to me right now. This one is in Bronze Glow. I'm gonna use Golden Glow in shade 02. I think I tried this, I wanna say years ago, but let's try it again. Ooh, that's pretty. It also does give a little bit of a tint, but if you go over this with foundation, it doesn't even really matter anyways, to be honest, because you can just kind of balance it out with your other products. It does give a little bit of a glow, which is pretty. It's like super natural. You know what I like about this too is that there's no glitter particles in it. Like it's really smooth on the skin. It's hydrating, and you see that pretty glow that it gives? So pretty. And I think it's gonna complement the product that I'm going to use next, which is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Nude Glow, really well. So I don't have a new foundation. There hasn't really been a ton of new foundations recently, to be honest, and I'm still using like all the same ones. I kind of just keep them in rotation. The House Labs foundation, the Bosma stick foundation, and then I've also been using this because I love the glowy finish. Plus this is also really hydrating. My skin has been a little bit more on the dry side lately, so I love this, and the color right now is perfect. It's light medium. I'm just gonna use this today. I do have a new concealer though, and a couple other new products. It's just the foundation. I haven't seen anything new. So yeah, that glow enhancer is actually really, really pretty. I like how it gives a little bit of a tint to the skin as well, and I believe it comes in another light shade. I think it comes in 4 shades total. Don't quote me, but I think so. All right, complexion's looking good. Now we're gonna try out our new concealer from Huda Beauty. It's the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. So I got the color Vanilla Swirl. This is supposed to be a 14-hour crease-proof, blendable, buildable, transfer-proof concealer. Hoping that this color will match. I suck at like finding my shade. Sometimes I get lucky, but I don't have a method to my madness. I just guess. All right, let's try it. Oh wait, I think this color actually will be perfect. Of course, I'm using my favorite concealer brush ever, Anissa Beauty Angled Concealer. Wow, I like the coverage. It's also really creamy, even though it definitely is a matte concealer, but I can kind of see that luminosity that they're talking about. I feel like when you first apply it, it is pretty luminous and creamy, but then as it dries down and when you blend it, it is matte. It's almost kind of like a satin matte finish. There's like a little bit of both, but I really like it. I think it looks really smooth too. Next up, I have a new cream blush. This one is the Lottie London Sweet Blush, and this one is in the color. Okay, wait, I don't know what color this is. It's just like the light pink color. So we're gonna try it out. These come in a couple other shades as well. That's a really pretty pink. I love that. And then I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. That's so pretty. Ooh, I like this. I really like this color too. That, yes. Finally got my hands on the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. I have heard so many good things about this, and like I said, I don't know why it took me this long to try out the brand, but here we are. So I got her loose powder, and then I also got her Velvet Finishing Pressed powder. It came in like a little duo, and I picked up the color, what color is this in? I think translucent, I'm pretty sure. And this is what it looks like. This smells like vanilla. I've never had a powder smell this good. And I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender Pocket Puff. Okay, she's smooth as can be. This smells so good. It's like, you can smell it, but it's also not like overwhelming, the scent, but it smells good. Oh, this is really, really smooth. And this looks really good. It's really, really smooth, like wow. I'm gonna very lightly just dust that on the rest of my face, but I'm gonna use the pressed powder also just to really finish everything off. But to be honest, This already looks so smooth just with the loose powder, which is amazing. I love it. Now, let me use the pressed powder, which looks like this. Don't really feel like I 1000% need this because, like I said, that loose powder was so smooth on its own, but I'm gonna use it anyway because I have it. I'm gonna just set my eyebrows really quick. The powders I really like. I like both of them. The loose powder was super airbrushed on the skin and they set my makeup really nicely. So I'm happy with pretty much everything that I've used so far, to be honest. This is a very successful first impressions, which is always a good thing. So let's go in with some new bronzers. I have the Hailey's Beauty Resculpt Smoothing Contour Powders. I have two colors here, light and medium. I think I'm gonna start with light. I really love this packaging. It's so pretty and sleek. This looks like a really good contour shade as well. It's a little bit more cool toned, so I feel like good for very fair skin. Let's see the medium color actually, because I might maybe mix both of these. And yes, the medium is a little bit deeper. I think actually I might double into medium. Oh wow, that gives some good pigment and color payoff. I love how smooth this formula is. This color I think is really nice as well. Gives a nice wash of color, but it's also buildable. Now jumping back into the palette, I'm gonna take some of this green color and I'm just gonna lightly drag that on my lash line. Let me see, do I like this? Yeah, that's pretty. And then I'm just gonna add some mascara. So now for lips, we have a couple different options. I wanna try out these new lip oils from Dose of Colors. They look so pretty. So we're gonna swatch all of these on my lips. And then I'll also show you guys the two lipsticks that come in the Milani holiday kits as well. But let's start off with the lip oils. But I'm not gonna do any lip liner or anything so we can see the true color of these. So I'm gonna start with this one in Pretty Casual. Ooh, actually looks more like a gloss. So this is the color Pretty Casual. I think it's pretty. It definitely needs a lip liner. Like I wouldn't wear this on its own, but I like the little tint that it gives and it does feel really hydrating. And they smell so good. So yeah, this is the first shade. Next color is Pretty Fun. This one is like a coral peachy shade. Ooh. This is giving me like summer vibes. This gives a tint while I feel like also enhancing my natural lip color, which I really like. I think I actually like this one more than the one that I just used, surprisingly. I thought this was gonna be a little too bright, but I love that. Next color I have is Pretty Cute. This one is a little bit more of like a mauvey pink. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, this is, I think, actually my favorite. The last color we have here, Pretty Nice. This one is a little bit of a darker mauve. Oh, love this for fall. I'm in love with these. I'm really, really happy with this formula. The colors are beautiful. I think out of all the ones that I showed you guys, my favorite is Pretty Cute. It's like the most perfect pink. So love these. I think these are definitely worth trying. They feel really nice on the lips. I love the little light wash of color that it gives, but they're also really hydrating. They're not as intense or like as thick as their lip glosses, which I actually really like. I like their glosses, but I think I actually like this formula a little bit more. Plus this doesn't feel super sticky. Like it feels actually really smooth on the lips. Okay, I love these. Very, very happy with those. Now we have two lipsticks from the Milani holiday kit. So the first color that I have is from the Allure Gem Kit with the green eyeshadow palette, and this one is in Tuscan Toast. By the way, I love these color statement lipsticks from Milani. These are one of my OG like favorite products. I love the color Bahama Beige, and Milani has amazing lip products in general, so I'm really happy that this is in the kit because this is a really pretty like red too. It's like a brick red. I'm gonna just put it on my lips and we'll see which color I like more. They're so creamy, by the way. I really like this red. It's like a different kind of red. It's like, I don't know, I like it. And then the other color that we have is Cabaret Blend, and this one is in the other kit. And this is a little bit, oh, that's pretty. This is a little bit deeper and it has a slight kind of berry-ish undertone to it. Okay, I'm gonna try the other color now, Cabaret Blend. I like this color. I might like this color a little bit more on my skin tone than the other one. So I really like both reds. I think I like this one a little bit more. Like, I don't know, something about it. It's just the perfect, like very deep berry red. I should have did this first, but I'm gonna add a little bit of lip liner. And this one is from Milani. It's the Understatement lip liner in the shade Brazen Berry. It's a really deep berry color, but I feel like lip liner makes everything better, especially a good lipstick. You need a good lip liner with it. It also just helps to make it look a little bit cleaner, so definitely recommend doing this before going in with the lipstick, but this is a great lip liner actually for both lipsticks in both of these kits because it's a deeper and it just helps to make it look a little bit just cleaner, the lips. I love it. Final thing we're gonna do is set the makeup, and believe it or not, I have never used the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. So this is apparently a mattifying waterproof setting spray. And I don't know why I've never tried this before. A lot of times when I did go to get it, like when I would go in stores or online, it would be sold out and I just never got around to it, but I finally snagged this up. I did try his luminous version of the spray and I didn't really love it, but I've heard good things about this one. This is like the best spray apparently. That's a pretty strong scent. Kind of smells like men's cologne. It smells good, but it's a little strong. Okay, I am definitely adding this video to like my top 5 most successful first impressions because like I really loved everything that I used in today's video. First of all, these holiday kits, beautiful. Congratulations again to Rocio. I love these and it's such a great value. I love all the products in the kit, especially the eyeshadow palette. I mean, the lip colors on both are beautiful, but I really like this skin enhancer. This is so beautiful. This gives the prettiest glow. I also really like how it's hydrating and I love the way the skin tint from IT Cosmetics applied over top of it. So super excited to keep trying this out. The complexion, I really enjoyed the concealer as well as the powder. Good coverage, super smooth, especially this Nakia Joy loose powder. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is super blurring. Like, wow, it's like one of those powders that you can instantly see like how smooth it makes your face look. It's insane. Your pores, everything, they look like completely vanished with this powder. It's amazing. So definitely gonna keep using that. The concealer, I also really liked the coverage of it. I like how it does have a satin matte finish, but it's comfortable. It doesn't also look like it's excessively creasing on my under eyes, and it has really nice coverage. So I'll keep you updated on how this wears, but I think it looks really good. The Lottie London Sweet Liquid Blush, I thought this was really nice as well. I could have probably added maybe a little bit more to make the color pop, but I still really like the shade and the formula was great. Bronzer, also really love this color. Love the formula, super smooth. It gave a nice little bronzy moment to the face, so I like this. The lip oils, these, I cannot wait to use these from Dose of Colors, especially this color, Pretty Cute. This is gonna be like my favorite shade, but these are so nice. They're very hydrating and I love that little light tint that it gives to your lips. I think it's the perfect amount of color. Lashes, love, especially I'm so happy that I cut the inner corners because it definitely helps. I also love this Inglot gel liner. This is one of the darkest gel liners I've ever used in my entire life. Like, not even kidding. I see the hype with this now. I can't believe it took me this long to try it, but it's worth it. I really, really like it. And also this Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray is intense. I will say the scent is pretty strong. It does go away, but just a little FYI, when you first spray it, it's intense, but it definitely is mattifying, but my face doesn't feel as like dry as I thought it was gonna feel, because I normally love like a more dewy or like a natural spray, but this one is actually like mattifying, but it still feels comfortable, but it definitely like completely mattifies your face and absorbs every speck of oil that you have. So it gets the job done. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this and how this makeup wears throughout the day, but so far so good with this spray. I can see why so many people really like it, but this one I definitely like more than the luminous version that I tried before. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, this was a great first impressions, and I think if you guys are looking into any of these new makeup products, you will really enjoy these. So let me know if you have tried these, and also if there's any other new makeup you guys want me to test out, leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.